See that angle? For those who know, that is an if you know situation. That's a true mod. That's a true sign of a mod right there. So today we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff. We have the WagonR. We got to swap the wheels and tires on because it's getting warmer. I think we're going to throw the staggered set on there, see how it performs. Makes no sense because it's a front wheel drive car, but it's going to be badass. So we're going to be running 14s at the back and 13s at the front. It's gonna look good, it's gonna be impractical, but this is gonna be the best thing for everybody. Nice. Let me give you a piece of advice, guys. When you approach a vehicle in the wild that's got a staggered set of wheels on an FF, opposite what they should have done, turn around and roll the other way. Not because they're gonna beat you, because that guy's crazy. Yeah, this defies all logic. That's not why we did this. We did this because it looks thoroughly badass. Let's see how many horse we added. Oh yeah, she's flying now. Next on the docket, I gotta switch these two wheels around because this side's rubbing something for some reason. Here, just let me know if you can hear this. Right there. Right there. Right there. It's rubbing upon one full rotation every time the wheel goes around, but it didn't do that when I had the staggered set of Bridgestones on here, but it's doing this with the Export Winters, and I'm not sure why. Yeah, just do it does it every rotation. It's very odd. Okay, that one's on. And you put this one over here. Hey! Stop! There we go. We will have to do something on the Serena, but we will have to wait until another day for now. Thanks for joining, and till the next one.